Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani and I've been locked for 3.5 years. Today I'm going to be telling you about why I never use oil on my locks anymore and why I barely even use products on my hair. I don't really use anything on my locks anymore. Before I started locks, I was a loose natural, so I always wore my hair out in like a big afro or like a curly afro, and I always used oil on my hair, and so I thought that that was the way to go for my lock journey. So when I started my locks, I would constantly use oil. I was oiling my hair maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and I never understood why I had an itchy or an inflamed scalp. I just kind of figured I had psoriasis, and I still do think that I have psoriasis, but I just figured that it was a result of me having psoriasis and that I will always have an itchy or an inflamed scalp. As I approached the 2-year mark for my locks, I was really tired of having an itchy scalp, and I was like, I'm going to stop using anything in my hair. And I was really nervous because I didn't want to have dry locks, but I was also just very tired of my scalp itching and burning every single day, especially when I have styles like this. It's really hard to scratch your head the way that you need to, and I was basically suffering, and it was really getting on my nerves. So when I hit that 2-year mark, I was like, I'm no longer going to use any products in my hair at all. As soon as I stopped using oil in my hair, it was almost an instant relief, and I realized that that was what was making my scalp itchy and inflamed. And then I also looked it up, and I saw that other people in the lock community was also having this issue. They were having itchy and inflamed and like dry, brittle scalps, and they couldn't really get to it. Like, they couldn't really scratch their head because they had their styles in, so they decided to stop using oils as well. And I realized I was on the right path, and oil was not for me or my locks anymore. So in the past 1.5 years, I've maybe used oil 5 times. Like, I try not to use oil at all, but there are some times where I retwist my hair, where I apply oil to my scalp if I'm trying to, palm roll my hair and I want it to be a sleek look. And I also use a little bit, and when I say a little bit, I mean the smallest bit of retwist gel when I retwist my hair, just because I like for it to be a sleek look. So I don't put it all throughout my hair. I literally just use it at the top and I go on about my day. And even recently, I tried to start back using oil. I tried to use castor oil, just regular cold pressed castor oil, not Jamaican black castor oil, because I've been using castor oil on my skin, which is why she's glowing. But I was like, okay, let me just, like, when I'm applying this on my face, let me put it in my scalp. And I didn't even realize it, but I started scratching my scalp more than normal, and I was like, okay, I cannot use even castor oil in my scalp anymore. And I don't even know why I tried to do it again, but I have been putting it on my edges, and it doesn't make my edges inflamed. So I will continue to put it on my edges because I do want my edges to grow in a little bit more, but I'm not going to use it on my locks. And so this is why anytime in the comments when y'all ask me for product recommendations, I never have any products to recommend you, because I don't even buy products myself, which is why I can't really promote products on here. I can't suggest any products because I do not believe in using products on my locks anymore. And a lot of people ask me, do I have dry locks because I don't use products? And the truth is, I don't have dry locks. My locks feel even better than when I was using a lot of products. And the only thing that I would probably use today, which I don't use too often because I just don't put anything in my hair, is rose water. And I have a tutorial on here about how I make rose water. I just boil the roses in water, so I really make rose tea, and then I spray it on my locks. But I haven't even done that in about 1.5 years. But when I did notice that I had dry hair, and it wasn't from me not using oil, I had dry hair even when I was using oil. I feel like my hair is more hydrated now that I'm not using oil, but I used the rose water back then. So maybe I'll try that in the future, but right now the health of my hair is exactly where I want it to be. And the maintenance that I do is I wash my hair. Right now I use black soap. Typically I like to use apple cider vinegar, but I'm on this long-term travel journey and I don't want to carry a bottle of apple cider vinegar with me. So right now I'm just using a bar of black soap, and I can link that down below if you want to use it. And I will use a little bit of retwisting gel at the top of my hair, and that is literally it. I don't do anything to my hair, and I keep my hair twisted for weeks at a time. I really hope that this video was insightful. If you need any more videos like this, just explaining my lock journey so that I can help you on your lock journey, I'm going to leave the link to my lock playlist down below. I have a lock playlist on YouTube with over 55 videos on there just from day 5 to year 3, so you will not be confused on your lock journey. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.